Raoult's law? What is Raoult's law? Let's say you have a glass of pure water, and you heat it up. Eventually, it starts to boil, right? That's because water molecules at the surface are escaping into the air. This is called vapor pressure. Now, what happens if you add something like salt or sugar to that water? The water still heats up, but it boils a little later. The vapor pressure is lower. That's where Raoult's law comes in. Raoult's law says, when you add a solute like salt or sugar to a solvent like water, the vapor pressure of the solution is lower than the pure solvent. In simple terms, more stuff in the liquid, that is, fewer molecules escape into the air, that is, lower vapor pressure. Why does this happen? When you add a solute, it blocks some solvent molecules from reaching the surface. That means fewer molecules can escape into the gas phase. So the vapor pressure goes down, and the boiling point goes up. This is why salty water boils at a slightly higher temperature than pure water. It's harder for the water to evaporate. The formula for advanced students. Raoult's law can be written as PA equals XA times PA node, where PA equals partial vapor pressure of solvent, or component, A, over the solution. XA equals mole fraction of the solvent, or component, A, in solution. PA node equals vapor pressure of the pure solvent or component, A. Basically, the more solvent there is compared to solute, the higher the vapor pressure. Why does it matter? Raoult's law helps us understand why salt is used in cooking to affect boiling and freezing points, how antifreeze works in cars, how perfumes evaporate, and even how blood and cells handle water and salt. In short, Raoult's law explains how adding stuff solute to a liquid solvent lowers its vapor pressure. This affects boiling, freezing, and evaporation. Super useful in science and everyday life.